Kuna mtu aliniambia niache kusema hi guys. So hello my loves, how you doing? Hope you're having a lovely weekend. I am having a lovely weekend guys, and don't mind the mess here. It's because I'm about to drop another cooking video for you guys. Yes, I'm on a road guys. I've been dropping bangers. I don't think a day inaishanga kasija record a video for you guys. So guys, today I want to show you guys how to do crips at home, kama zile za potato crips, urban bites, that form, but shape ndio sasa itakuwa different juu ziko made at home. Okay guys, you getting me? So let's get into the video guys. So guys, it's one of the most budget friendly snacks you can ever make. It's so budget friendly because you are only going to need cooking oil, some salt, and some potatoes guys, and you can use almost like 5, depends on mko watu wangapi. So guys, you're only going to use potatoes, salt, and oil. If you have something like barbecue sauce, what else can you use? Chili. If you want to spice them more up, you can always use that. But me, because I'm making for my baby, we're only going to use some salt guys. So follow along, and I hope you're going to like my video guys. So guys, if you have this is the best thing. This is the best cutter you can use if you want to form those shapes of the crepes. So guys, let me show you how you do it. These potatoes are not clean, so you take this side, hope you can see this side, and then you just chop them.
I begin to for sure.
Done cutting your crips in your potatoes in the desired shape of the crips. Now we are going to wash this and then soak these potatoes for around 30 minutes. And the reason as to why we are soaking them is to remove the starch. We don't want some starchy potato crips. So we're going to soak these for around 30 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys the next process on how you're going to prepare them, guys. So let's wash these and then soak them and then get back to the next process. See you guys in 30 minutes after the potatoes are soaked and the starch is all done. So guys, this is how you see this the white water, hiyo ni starch imetoka. Sasa this is going to help our potatoes to be more crisp when we are going to deep fry them. So guys, here's the next step. So this is where you have a lot of things to do. You have to pat dry all your potatoes and then we deep fry them, guys. So I hope you follow along, guys. Are you done eating?
don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change